This spiced Blackstrap mini skillet blondie delivers the warm, nostalgic spice of gingerbread with the dense, fudgy cake chew of a classic white chocolate chip blondie, and it is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. Try this treat with a vibrant, boozy, brandied cherry sauce and a scoop of ice cream. To make a spiced Blackstrap mini skillet blondie, mix 25 grams melted butter, 25 grams brown sugar, 10 grams Blackstrap molasses, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Then fold in 30 grams all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon ground ginger, quarter teaspoon garam masala spice blend, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix in 25 grams white chocolate chips and spread the batter evenly into a buttered 4-inch cast iron skillet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The blondie is done when it starts to brown around the edges and the toothpick test comes out clean. Let the blondie cool before molding and serve with brandied cherry sauce and a scoop of ice cream. To make about half cup of brandied cherry sauce, add to a sauce pot 30 grams water, 30 grams sugar, an eighth of a teaspoon cinnamon, 30 grams of a good quality brandy, and 100 grams of pitted Bing cherries. Simmer for about 5 minutes and cool. Then blend until smooth and strain. Store it in the refrigerator. Brandied cherry sauce will be at its best for about a week.